This salad is easy. It requires very few simple ingredients and it's perfect for the hot weather. Here we go. I have a big family, so I'm using almost 5 pounds, but you don't have to. And here I have Knorr. I have garlic, salt, bay leaves, onion, but you could just use salt. If that's all you have, it's fine. I'm just gonna fill it up with water until it's covering the chicken. So once it boils, I just cover and put it on low for 45 minutes. And then I let my KitchenAid do all the work, but you don't have to. You can just use your hands or forks. So you're going to set that chicken aside. You're going to start cutting your veggies. And you're going to want to cut your tomatoes really fine. I have found this to be the easiest way to cut an onion. You want to keep the roots on, but cut off this ponytail looking thing. And then cut slits from root to top. It should be cut in half lengthwise before you do this. Sorry, I didn't show that part. But set it aside, and then you want to chop your lettuce as fine or as big as you want and set that aside. I used about half of a head of lettuce, and then I'm just going back and making sure that all the chicken is nicely shredded before adding all my veggies. I added my onion first, give it a little mix, and then add the tomato and give that a little mix, and then you'll add your lettuce last and get all the veggies mixed into the chicken before you add the mayonnaise. And you don't have to use this mayonnaise. This is what I buy, but you can use healthier mayonnaise or homemade mayonnaise, whatever you want. And you just mix it thoroughly until it's all well incorporated. And I like to serve it with chips or on a tostada like I'm showing you here, but you can eat it with Doritos, just by itself. And we like to eat it with tapatio, but you can use any sauce you want, or chile, salsa. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching.